How to manage notifications settings on Play Store. Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to manage Play Store notifications settings easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple, just go to Play Store as you can see right here. Now go to the top and click on your profile picture and click on settings and click on general. In the top, click notifications right here. Now, as you can see on this page, you can manage notifications easy. You can turn off or turn on wherever you want here. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.